Hi guys, I showed you guys some of the items that I bought for my kitchen. So I've been making some changes in my kitchen. There's some things that I'm actually changing because I need them, and so I've been buying some things in the previous I showed you guys some things that I got previously, and so now I got another item, like a set of cookware that I want to unbox now. I got it delivered yesterday, so I just want to unbox it, and some other items that I bought for the house as well. So let me show you guys. Let me just unbox it. And also these are some of the things that I got. I have, let me show you guys. So this is the spice jar that I showed you guys. Yeah, I finally put in my spices there. Like before, I didn't have a spice jar and it was very inconvenient for me, so I have it here already. I haven't put the stickers because I don't know where I kept the pen that came with this with the stickers. So I still have the stickers, but I don't have the pen, so that has been a challenge. And so I'm going to just print out some stickers and label them. So but I just love the way it looks here. So the next thing I got was this tissue hanger. I didn't show it in previously because I bought it later on. Let me keep this by the side. So yeah, I bought it same day, but I didn't show you guys. Okay, it was after I was done unboxing that I got this, and I love it. This tissue hanger, I love it so much. And the next thing I got is this plate rack. I showed you guys the plate rack, but by then I haven't assembled it, so I finally assembled it off camera. And yeah, I love this so much, so much, so much, so much. So yeah, I finally changed my plate rack. I'm sure those who have followed my previous video would have noticed what was here before. Let me show you guys what was here before. Okay, so this was what was in the kitchen before. Like that was my plate rack. This was my plate rack I was using before. So I had to change it because look at it, was becoming rusty, and then it was shaking. So I needed to change it. So I had to change it to the new one that I got. So I didn't buy this. Someone actually gave me this like for free. So at least it have served its purpose, and it's time to change it. So I just had to change this. So I changed it to this, and I love it. I love that it's black. Like I love it so much. Let me show you guys the new cookware that I got. I got a new set of pots because I didn't like how my old pot was looking. Honestly, I don't like it. Let me show you guys. This is my old cookware. You can see it's looking so old. Look at the inside. So there are just so much things that, and the handle is broken. I can't fix it. This thing can't come off. So there's just so much, and I don't like cooking with this cookware because it's now old. I think I did not maintain it properly, so but I no longer like cooking with it. So this is one of the things that I wanted to change for the longest. At least this pot has served me for almost 2 years. So but I can no longer be cooking with this any longer. So I need to change it. So I got new cookwares and I'm really excited. And I got other things too as well. I got an oil bottle because I needed it. I used to put my oil in a plate like this, look at, after frying, and I didn't really like it. So I just needed something that works for me. Okay, so let me show you guys the items that I got. So these are the set of pots that I got. It came with an apron. That's the red stuff there. So this is the pot. I'm loving them. It also came with a set of spoons. Yeah, and this, so I have to let this go, or I'll just keep it somewhere. But this is what I'm going to be using now, and I love it. And then these are the pots. This is the pot. This is the one to follow. This is the smallest pot. This is the pan. Like, I love it so much. And then this is the bigger pot. It's 2-in-1. This is the main big pot. That's this one. And this one is just like, I feel like it's for steaming or something because it has holes. So that means for me to use this, I have to use maybe for moi moi, or I want to steam something. I can use this because it has holes. And then they have one similar cover. Like, I love this pot so much, and it's black. I wanted something black. So yeah, these are all the things I got, and I love it. So I'm going to like dispose my old pots. I'm going to say goodbye to them. So this is the apron that came with it. I love it so much. Is going to be, and then I'll keep some on top in my cabinets. This is how I'm going to set them up. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh god, I'm so excited. This is the state of my pot drawer, and this is how it looks. And look at this. Is an apology. So this is not going to be there anymore. I'm going to dispose all of these pots, and then I'm going to put in the new ones. Okay. All right, guys. Next now I'll be unboxing. Okay, so yeah, so I'm finally done setting up and unboxing the things, and honestly I like the way my kitchen is coming to life. My kitchen is like my favorite place, one of my favorite places in this house, and I just have like an idea of how I want my kitchen to be. And over time, like since we started living here, I've been putting things one after the other. You cannot just completely set up your house at once. Honestly, it's in stages. So I'm glad that I finally had to make these changes because I really needed them. I really needed these oil bottles like so much. Like these oil bottles I showed you guys, I really needed them because I always put my oil in a plate like I showed you guys before, and I don't like it. And the pots, like I love the pots, the black, I just love everything. I love it. Like I love the fact that my kitchen is coming to life and the way I actually want it to be. So yeah, so let me show you guys the final thing. I've showed you guys, so but I just want to put, I don't know where I'm going to put that thing now. I still have some things to buy because there are some things that I still need to like arrange, like especially this is my top cabinet. I need to arrange them. So but it's gradually, honestly, like small I'm just going to keep putting them because even with all these changes, it's not cheap. Okay, like money is spent. So step by step, like I'm just going to be putting things in place. I told myself that like every month I'm just going to buy 1 or 2 things that I need, at least for now. The things I bought are the things that I really needed to change, especially my pot. Like for the longest, I always wanted to change those pots. They are old, ugly, and I'm glad that I finally did it. I'm so happy about that. Okay guys, so I think that is all for now. I'm so happy. So I'm going to want to tidy up everywhere because my kitchen is in a mess, like the cartons and everything on the floor. So when I'm done tidying up everywhere, I might just show you guys the final look and how everything is coming to play. I think I should pour my oil, this oil that I kept here, I think I should pour it inside here now. Let me pour it.